Ever wondered why trucks make this sound when they stop? You've heard it, that loud when a semi or bus comes to a stop. Most people think something's wrong, but the reason is way more important than you think. Cars use hydraulic brakes. You press the pedal, fluid pushes pads against rotors, and you stop simple. But a loaded semi can weigh 80,000 pounds. Fluid alone isn't strong enough for that, so trucks use air brakes instead. While driving, compressors build up air pressure in massive tanks under the frame. When the driver hits the brakes, that compressed air is released to apply the brakes. But here's the genius part. When they park, it works in reverse. They release the air pressure and powerful springs lock the brakes in place automatically. That hissing sound you hear? That's just the air escaping from the system. It's not a problem, it's a safety feature. Without it, a parked truck could roll away.